Right, so this pipe, just see, can we follow where this pipe goes? This pipe is going down to the carburetors. So it's disappearing in there, look. It's disappearing in there. This fella here is going off somewhere. I do not know. But I'd say it's the carbs as well. So that's him. This guy here, remember, I think that came out of one of the carbs, didn't it?
No, that's the fuel tank.
Or the fuel tank, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2. 1 or 2. Number 1. So that's the fuel tank. So I've no idea what this thing is. And find out. We're still debating what this fella's for, so we're just horsing him out now.
Right, that's coming
So
out
we're going to
nicely.
leave as many pipes on it as we can. We've made a note of the pipes, what's what.
Right, that's free. The other one.
So just to recap, oh no, we got this on already can, didn't we?
Yeah.
Where them pipes we're going.
Spray a bit of stuff on that.
So we've both carbs covered up. We're just spraying.
Right, the hose on the back of that. See,
That should come. That pipe is just hanging. Look, you can take that out. We know it's going to the carbs.
get that screw.
Just fling that screw, right?
Ah, so we have another one now.
Oh yeah, I wanted to get a picture of that.
We have spare.
So, to be honest, to go out and research what this fella's for. So that one you're taking off is going where? Is that the one that's gone up to the fuel tank?
Into the carb.
Oh, into the carb. Right.
It's into the carb.
It's a little bit manky, isn't it?
A little. Fuel tank, to me, it's a vacuum system. When you start the bike, this creates a vacuum and sucks the petrol out. Money guessing.
I don't know. I don't even know enough about it to bullshit about it. Anyway, we clean it up and we'll find out what it is. Put it over in the parts department. I'll get working on that after tea break. Oi.
Right, these are, geez, they're only barely in.
Yeah.
Right, 2 black on that, and then a black, and these are all colour.
So these all come out,
Right.
no problem. That's just.
So that's that disconnected there. And
After 13 seconds we had it there.
manky.
Is it right? Fairly manky.
So that'll come up nice and clean.
Yeah, deadly. So we know where a few of the wires and pipes are off.
Right, need to. Keep them watch.
No. So Buddy's keeping an eye out. Buddy! Buddy, he's saying, we'll go off and not talking to you.
He's deaf.
And if you go near that spray can again, I'm going to bite their legs off. So Buddy apparently has 0 fucks left to give. So I'm going to just arrange to turn these around now shortly. Just make sure we're getting all sides. Yeah, so what are we doing? It took me back for a second and then it creeps out the fucking loom.
Right, so
Jesus.
actually we can just disconnect it, but I just see
Yeah,
there's
go on.
orange and black,
Right,
wherever this thing does.
that's orange, white and a black tracer.
No, wherever. What's that off? What's that doing? Oh, it's in gear. It's a sensor. If it's in gear, it won't start, I think.
Neutral sensor, is it?
Yeah, I think so. Something like that. Instead of coming loose from here. I know, it just sits down into it, look.
Yeah.
Oh, that feels a bit funny there. Yeah, that's your room now.
Right.
Best to look
Okay,
tidy.
then.
Best to look tidy and that up.
Okay, buddy, the loom is out, right? Right. Right, battery holder. So, I'll take off that and that. Get behind it. So it's a bit rusty and manky. At least run them up on the Wonder Spray. One squirt and it's gone. See me new drone, there you go.
Very good.
Drone camera. Now give them another coat around the back. This puppy. Yeah, so this is one side. So that's the way the box goes now. If memory serves, I think this one is for the starter solenoid. So that one goes on like that. So I'm just going to put these back in loosely. Yeah, the heat water treat on this.
Yeah, just popped off.
Yeah, just do 20-30 seconds on them, that was it. So, you go back in there. So this fella is gone on Eric's side, so what would it be? Right hand side of the bike as you sit on it. Yeah. So that's what we're starting with. Right. Just get cracking on that. Well, after 8 minutes we have it all down to this. Oily cam is now painty cam. So that'll rubbing. Never be seen again, but at least it's done. Good stuff. So we'd originally planned to paint the chassis, but with half a tin of the Hammerite there, where is it? Hammerite Smooth Black. So we've done all these in it. And they come out grand. So we got all that out of it, and there was still plenty left in the tin. So we decided to spray a little bit and see what it looked like, and it looked okay. So we just went for it. And we've only got, so this is half a tin. We got all this done, and it looks well. Now I know from using the Hammerite it's excellent stuff. So I'm going off now to try source another tin of it and finish it today. So the rest of the chassis, the rest of the frame is rubbed down and ready to go. So Eric's gone off to try source another tin of it. You can get the couple of coats on it. Say a few light coats is better than one heavy. Get out. Stop it, stop it. So that's our finished product.
Is
We're going with that.
unbelievable. The finish on it, recommended.
So it looks really well. Plus we had a look at spraying the engine case in the engine. So you can see it there. It looks half decent. This original paint that's on the cylinder head. So whatever we do can't be any worse than that. So we'll rub that down when the time comes, and we're going to try put this on it here. That's the Hammerite silver. Now a bit of a run in it there, I know. And you can rub that out a bit again. We just put a blob on just to see what it looks like, and it looks really well. So I think we're going to go with that. So that's it for this session.